Do you work for the money or your passion? The truth is that many people today go to the regular work just because of the money and believe that it has to be so. But there are better solutions for usual people like me and you. I'll show you how you can learn to create your own online business based on the things that give you energy and also give you a sustainable income. Today, more and more people are realizing that they don't do what they really want to do at their jobs. It's because of old beliefs, structures, meetings, and conflicts in their workplace. It's not strange that so many just wait for the weekend and the holiday to come. They feel frustrated and bored at their job, and maybe even get diseases because of it, while life is so short. All this struggle is the result of the old belief perception that money is more important than the human being. And this was also my reality after 30 years in the usual work life. And I can tell you, I was so tired of trying to fit into this. Fortunately, my life took a new direction when I saw a video on YouTube. It explained how I could create my own business from home with internet and a laptop. This video was something more than just a regular online course, because the education was built for usual people with no experience of marketing and technique. I didn't even need to have a known business idea or a product to sell. In this education, I could get mentorship, support, and belong to a community with like-minded people. And this was exactly what I needed. So I started the education, focusing on taking step by step at my pace. Nowadays, I make the rules in my life. One of the best things is that I can work from the cottage out on the country. For the first time, I feel peace of mind. I can bring out the best of me for myself and my family. And that's because I'm aligned with my life and what I'm doing. If you want to learn more about this, you have to do two things. Step 1, click on the link under this video and register your first name and email. Click the subscribe button, then I'll send good videos to you for free. Step number 2, I'll offer you a free, really great webinar with my mentor Stuart. He'll explain for you everything you need to make a decision if this is the right way for you or not. So now, you have nothing to lose. Just register for this webinar. And before you watch, make yourself comfortable, prepare with pen and paper, and really listen. So enjoy. Hope to see you on the other side.